It's Evensron here. Welcome back to my channel. I got the new AverMedia Live Gamer 2.1 capture card. I got an open box. So it was listed on Amazon for $270. I got it for $240 on eBay, and I got an open box. Actually, I'm going to list it. So it's already listed, so I don't really need it because I bought it like last week, and then earlier this week, Elgato dropped its capture card, which has better specs. So I got that one too, waiting for it. So that's the one I'm gonna be using. This one I'm just showing you guys what it's like, and I'm gonna sell it. I also have another Elgato HD 60X that I'm selling. So for this one, this is what it looks like for the first impression. The guy says he bought it, he only used it like once or twice because he had a hip injury, so he couldn't move. He barely used it. That's what he claimed. And let's see the condition of it. Obviously the pictures look good, so hopefully that looks good as well. So do you guys see it? Live Gamer Ultra 2.1. This provides a pass-through of 4K 144 Hertz, but it can capture at 4K 60 Hertz. So it supports VVR, variable refresh rate. That's what VVR stands for. I believe this is the model number, GC553G2. Oh, that's a Type-C, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2. It supports up to 10 gigabyte per second. Max pass-through resolution is 2160 60p 144 HDDR. It's not bad. Okay, that's the box. Obviously it's in great condition, so the guy was right. He wasn't lying. You see, it still looks brand new. Okay, obviously this is what it looks like. The RGB lights, the HDMI in, HDMI out, the audio jacks, and USB-C capture. You see, pass through 4K 144 and capture at 4K 60. Thank you guys for watching this video again. See you next time.